Today I am going to explain on cell organelle mitochondria. First I tell you what is mitochondria. The double membrane cell organelle of eukaryotic cell associated with Krebs cycle in aerobic respiration is called mitochondria. This is a structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria are the scattered minute particle in the cell in the form of rod or ovoid or thread-like bodies. These organelles play a great role in cellular respiration. In the prokaryotic cell, they are absent. Next, know about the ultrastructure of mitochondria. Mitochondria mainly consist of two parts. One is membrane portion, another one is the inner portion of the mitochondria, that is filled up with fluid. This is known as matrix. So first we know about the membrane portion. Membrane consists of two parts. One is outer membrane, another one is inner membrane. First we know about the outer membrane. Outer membrane present at the exterior part of the mitochondria, but the inner membrane present at the inner side of the organelle. The inner portion of the mitochondria invaginates inwardly in the form of many finger-like projection which incompletely divide the inner chamber into segments. These projections are called cristae, and in singular it is known as crista. Outer membrane of the mitochondria becomes smooth, but the inner membrane contains many stacked round bodies which are called as F1 particle or subunit of Fernandez and Moran or oxisome. Here is the ultrastructure of F1 particle. From the crista, it is separated. A single F1 particle is shown here. This is the head portion, stalk, and this one is the base portion. The inner mitochondrial space is filled up with dense fluid. This is known as matrix, which contain protein, fats, DNA and ribosomes. Here the ribosome is 55S and various types of enzymes present here. And the inner space contain DNA. This DNA is known as mitochondrial DNA, means the DNA which is found in the mitochondria. This DNA is known as mitochondrial DNA. In the F1 particle, the ATP synthesis takes place. Now know about the function of mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell because during respiration food is oxidized and considerable amount of energy is liberated in the form of ATP. It also controls Krebs cycle. That's all about mitochondria.